Sales on credit. You are giving the following information. Receivables at 1 January 20x7, $30,000. Receivables at 31 December 20x7, $15,000. Total receipts during 20x7, including cash sales of $10,000, $90,000. What are sales on credit during 20x7? Answer. Step 1. Closing account receivable equals opening AR plus total sale minus cash received. So, total sale equals closing AR minus opening AR plus cash received equals 15,000 minus 30,000 plus 90,000 equals 75,000. Step 2. Total sale equals cash sale plus credit sale. So, credit sale equals total sale minus cash sale equals 75,000 minus 10,000 equals 65,000. Credit sales equal $65,000.